Hey, welcome back to the second SpellFall devlog. So I made a quick icon for it, a little logo. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but it's there. So this is kind of where we left off last time. The players could move, jump around, join the lobby, but there's really nothing to do. No enemies, no shooting. So that's kind of what we're focusing on this devlog. So I started out by trying to make this spell type material that you could shoot out, and that would be kind of like the main projectile for the player. I'm hoping to add like upgrades and different versions that you can collect while you play, like regular roguelikes. But I started adding this in, but they kept colliding with each other and it just kept messing up. So I started trying to fix that and eventually got it working. But it took a lot of time because the collision in this, as we'll talk about later, just does not like to work with particle systems and Niagara systems. So this is kind of what it's supposed to look like here. You can shoot and it collides with the walls and stuff. Last time I showed you this little crab spider creature thing, so let's get this enemy in here. We can actually fight something with those bullets that we just made. So we quickly brought it into Substance Painter, textured it, rigged it, animated it, and there's kind of the final product there. Just made a simple like attack animation and a walk animation, and then just brought that into the game. Created some simple logic for it, so it's using like a player follow, and then it's basically just checking all the players, adding them to an array, and then getting the smallest distance between them and following that player. There's a different way to do this, so I will probably end up switching that to a better way, but for now it works. So now that we're able to shoot and there's an enemy that follows us, it's time to apply damage to them. So using the Niagara system, I want to hit the enemy and then check if it damages. Oh, okay, so it's not possible to do it that way, but we can apply damage by adding like a sphere to the actor and then just turning off the render and checking damage that way. So that's kind of what I did. You can see that here in the hierarchy. And then since the bullets kept colliding with each other, I had to turn off the collision and the kill particles. And this guy here has been a great service, but it's time to get rid of him. So using that mage, I followed this tutorial by CG Dive to get the Unreal rig on whatever character you want, whatever humanoid character, and here it is all textured with the rig. So quickly import that into Unreal, and yeah, got it working though. Both of them are there, both their animations are working perfectly. So yeah, no more Quinn mannequin.
Please, no, stop. I have a family.
So now we could interact with these crab spider things and kill them, and they can attack us. And you can actually die, as you can see. But luckily, player 2 is there to save them. I wanted to have this kind of rock spawning effect, so I went into Blender and just quickly made some little rock objects, I guess, and then created like a little animation for them to play, so it kind of like shoots out when the crab attacks a player, I guess, in like a little rock smash effect. So there's one animation, literally just rises from the ground. I'm gonna kind of polish it up later, but I just kind of wanted it to be functional first. Yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. It's not perfect yet. The timing is off. I need to figure out how to spawn it when the animation is almost done, or at a specific key in the animation. So yeah, this is where we left off. Player can move, the new model is implemented, there's an enemy, a second room. It's hopefully going to be randomly generated later, but this is just kind of for testing purposes. Got one enemy in, it can attack, it still needs to be polished, but yeah. So yeah, if you want to stay up to date with this series, then make sure to subscribe and like this video. It helps a lot, so yeah, thanks.